Today I'm checking out these curb ramps that I was sent so I could do the review. Let's get these things set up by the curb and see how well they work. So I laid these here on the curb just so you could see what they look like, but man, they are really sturdy. Pretty heavy too, but really sturdy rubber ramps. This would be perfect for like riding up a mower. I don't think you would even need two though. You could just use one for a mower or something, but two for a car. I did kind of spread them out a little bit in the middle so you could see the two separate ones, but you can put them right next to each other too if you wanted. And they come with these concrete anchors where if you need to anchor them down. My plan with these actually though is to use them on our shipping container. We have a shipping container that we have for storage. On the end of it, I park my skid steer. And when I drive my skid steer into the shipping container, it's got such a huge like hump to get over to get into it that it makes it hard to get the skid steer in. So then I put some blocks there thinking, oh, this is gonna be great. Well, the skid steer just kicks the blocks out of the way. So these should work great, and I should be able to attach them with some rebar to the ground so I don't have any problem with them moving around on me. So really nice. I really like them. I think you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.